Well, as you can see, I ended up skipping and getting a whole new motor and threw it in and put my old parts back on. Sorry, no video in between. Phone took shit, had to wait for a new one. So, ended up going with the same turbo since I already ported it. I didn't feel like trying to do that twice. In case you're wondering what they mean by a ported turbo wastegate, this guy here, those holes, especially that one there, is pretty small. So they hog them out bigger. That'll still cover them, and you have less boost spike and everything. Now, also on this turbo, this huge rusty wastegate actuator is only good for 6 pounds. And then I got my modified dual diaphragm one with some heat wrap on it. And yeah. And here's some of the carnage of the leftovers. Spare water pump, spare upper intake, spare lower intake, a lot of spare stuff. Front, middle, rear irons are still good. The front housing's still good. The front rotor's still good. Spare injectors and enough air conditioning, smog pump, and what else left over. There's a better picture of that Lion flywheel. Then, of course, the automatic counterweight on it, because it's no longer balanced once they hog it out like that.